Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shehbaz Asir. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show how to test the normality of your data in SPSS. We will use our dataset as example and examine both the Shapiro, Wilk and Kolmogorov Smirnov test in SPSS. Before conducting many parametric analyses, researchers commonly examine the distribution of their data. A normal distribution is approximately symmetric and bell-shaped. In our example, we will examine whether our data satisfy the normal assumption or not. So first of all, we need to learn what is normality of the data. So we come to our presentation and we see we are going to test normality using Shapiro, Wilk and Kolmogorov Smirnov test in SPSS. So what is normality? Normality describes how closely scores resemble a normal distribution. A normal distribution is approximately symmetric and bell-shaped. Normality is an important consideration for many parametric procedures. So, in case of rejecting or accepting the normality of the data, we use the p-value and we compare our p-value with the significance level 0.05. So in case of Shapiro-Wilk, the value of p should be higher than the value of significance level 0.05. As well as in case of Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, the p-value should be higher than the value of significance level 0.05. In case we can say that data is normal. And if the p-value in both cases is lower than the value of significance, then we say the data is not normal. Now we go to our example SPSS to analyze the normality of the data. So we click on analyze and go to descriptive statistics and then click on explore. So we have 4 scale. We will put these measurement scales in dependent list. Okay, done. After doing that, click on statistics. So we have already done descriptive statistics. Okay, continue. Plot. We need normality plots with test. Continue. And now other options we don't need. And now we click on OK. So we successfully drawn the normal t-test here. So you can see the descriptive statistics, mean, confidence interval for mean, trimmed mean, median, variance, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, range, interquartile range, skewness and kurtosis. Okay, so the most important we are going to do the test of normality in case of Kolmogorov-Smirnov test and Shapiro-Wilk test. So you can see the measurement scale attitude has static value 0.063. So which is significant. It means the value of P is lower than the value of significance level 0.05. So it means data is not normal. So in case of Shapiro-Wilk, you can see the value of statistic is 0.991 and the data shows that the value of significance p-value is higher than the value of 0.05. So it means in case of Shapiro-Wilk, the data is normal. So you can also see intention to adopt measurement scale. You can see 0.054 and p-value is 0.087. Data is normal. And on the other hand, you can see in case of Shapiro-Wilk, the value is 0.989 and the p-value is higher than the value of significance level 0.05. So it means data is normal. So other cases also same. So it means in case of Kolmogorov Smirnov test and Shapiro Wilk test, we can say that our data is normal. But there is something important to say that, because one important research point is that we should not make a normality decision solely from a significance test. With larger samples, normality tests can deduct relatively small departures from normality. So, therefore, researchers should also examine the histogram and QQ plot to test the normality of the data. So, we have done two tests in this video. So, we will do the QQ plot and histogram in the next video to complete the chapter of normality of the data. Thank you very much.